my friends, my name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the third episode of Ellen's ChristKwan Series 2025. My friends, have I got a great cookie recipe to share with y'all. I am a big fan of Biscoff Cookies. So today we're going to make some cookies using Biscoff Cookie Butter. Oh yes. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these. And if you're a fan of Biscoff Cookie Butter like I am, these goodies will be calling your name. Perfect for the holiday season, and Santa Claus will be going back for seconds when he comes down the chimney on Christmas Eve. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. Also check out my cookie butter fudge recipe and my previous video, White Hot Cocoa. I'll post the link to both of those down in the description box below. So turn on your oven, grab your cookie scoop and your cookie butter sugar, because we're about to bake some Biscoff Cookie Butter cookie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our dry ingredients. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So we're going to use my 1 cup measurement and fluff it up like so. And using my butter knife, we're going to level it off to get a nice sweep. Voila, perfect cup. And we're going to pour it into my medium bowl and sifter and just repeat the process. We need 1 more cup. Another perfect cup. So that's our 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Into our flour, we're going to add in our leavenings, a half a teaspoon each of baking powder and baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon each of table salt and ground cinnamon. The cinnamon will give it a great extra flavor. And sift these together, or you can whisk them if you like. Okie dokie, dry ingredients are done. Now we're going to set them aside while we work on our wet ingredients. In my stand mixer with the paddle attachment, or you can use a large bowl using an electric hand mixer, we're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of unsalted butter, and it's nice and soft. That's 1 stick and another stick, but remove 2 tablespoons. Next, we're going to add in our sugars, 3/4 of a cup each of white sugar and packed light brown sugar. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. And make sure you scrape the bowl down occasionally. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 1 extra large egg at room temperature and a half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. That's half of a cupful. Mix those in until they're well incorporated. Alrighty, now it's time to add in the star of the show, our cookie butter. Going to add in 1 cup of the Biscoff creamy cookie butter. Oh, I just love this stuff. It is so incredible. And mix it in until it's well combined. Alright my friends, now we're going to add in the flour mixture a little at a time. And keep on mixing, but be careful not to overmix. Alright my friends, our cookie butter is done. See how nice and thick that is? That looks great. Oh, I just love the smell of Biscoff cookie butter. So now I'm about to cover it with plastic wrap. Gonna let the dough chill in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Alright my friends, it's been 30 minutes. Our dough is nice and chilled. Perfect. Now we are ready to scoop them into cookies. So I'm going to use my ice cream scoop, or you can use a spoon. Going to take a dollop of the dough and roll it up. Going to place it on the 9 by 13 inch baking pan that aligned with parchment paper, or you can use aluminum foil. And using a fork, we're just going to prick them, just like we do peanut butter cookies. just like that. All right, as soon as I get through with the rest of my cookies, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I've got all my cookies together, and this recipe makes about 16 to 20 cookies. Now we are ready to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees, going to let them bake for about 15 minutes. And I'll bring you back. My friends, I smell cookies. It smells heavenly up in this kitchen. I just taken them out of the oven. Oh, and nothing like the smell of freshly baked cookies. So now I'm going to let them rest in the pan for 8 minutes, and then I'll plate them up. All right, my friends, there you have it. Biscoff Cookie Butter Cookies. Doesn't that look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and give it a taste. All right, my friends, I got my plate right here. And of course, you can't have cookies without a good old glass of cold milk. Nothing like milk and cookies. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that cookie. Nice and golden brown on the bottom. Please have a bite. Excellent texture. Chewy, soft. Love that little hint of cinnamon. Oh, there's nothing like Biscoff Cookie Butter. So holiday. Oh yes. These cookies are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Biscoff Cookie Butter Cookies Licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemade.delights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays.